Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. You need to begin by opening device's settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access display. Following that, scroll down again, click on text size, and swipe left or right on this slider in order to adjust it. When you finished, click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!